Do you ever find yourself wondering, where the heck did that transaction come from? Why is it even here? Well, you're in luck, because QuickBooks has an amazing audit history feature that you can use. So if I go into any transaction here, doesn't matter if it's a bill, an expense, an invoice, whatever it is, down here in the middle of the screen it says More. If you click on More, you get to your audit history. So within the audit history here, you have a date stamped list of when it was changed and who changed it. If you want to uncover the detail, you just click on any of the lines, and it will even highlight what information in the transaction changed from the last time. It was cleared and then it was not cleared. This is really handy when you're trying to figure out what caused those weird, call them weird transactions. So I hope this helps. Join me next week.